Unlock the secrets of professional vocal engineering, tips and tricks for perfecting your sound. 1. Use a high-pass filter. A high-pass filter is a tool that allows you to remove low-frequency rumble and noise from your vocal recording. By using a high-pass filter, you can make your vocals sound cleaner and more focused. 2. Double-track your vocals. Double tracking is a technique where you record two separate takes of your vocals and layer them on top of each other. This can help make your vocals sound thicker and more full-bodied. However, it's important to make sure the two takes are perfectly in sync with each other to avoid any phasing issues. 3. Add reverb and delay. Reverb and delay are two effects that can help add depth and dimension to your vocal recording. By adding a subtle amount of reverb or delay, you can make your vocals sound more spacious and immersive. However, it's important to use these effects sparingly and tastefully to avoid overwhelming your vocals.